p.m. At 2:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from a thunderstorm over east central Monroe, north central Warren, and northeastern Northampton counties. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Delaware Water Gap, East Bangor, East Stroudsburg, Columbia, and Stormville. 2 to 3 inches of rain has fallen across the area over the last hour. Additional rainfall amounts of an inch or more are possible in the warned area. Please report flooding, hail, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to travel across flooded roads. Find alternate routes. It takes only a few inches of swiftly flowing water to carry vehicles away. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Warren County, New Jersey.